Disclaimer, read this, understand it, take it seriously, you've been warned. Welcome to Hotstone Media. This information video details what to be cautious of in the process of replacing the clutch kit on a Ford Transit Connect. The work was carried out by Jay, a fully qualified motor vehicle mechanic, from the YouTube channel Jay-x-underwood. I will leave a link to his channel in the description. This video is intended for general guidance only and does not serve as a step-by-step instruction manual. If you have no prior experience replacing clutch kits on other vehicles, the information presented here may not be sufficient for your needs. As you can see, just like most other vehicles, you will need to remove everything around the gearbox that is obstructing access to the bell housing bolts, as well as making room to maneuver. Unlike most other vehicles, you will need to remove the DPF unit to access one of the bell housing bolts, which is bolted from the engine side to the gearbox and is blocked by the DPF unit. It's the same diesel engine used in Peugeots and Citroëns. Therefore, you may encounter the same problem if working on those vehicles.
That's the new clutch. Yeah, the spring. Yeah, see the clutch.
I am sorry to say we have neared the end of the footage I have for this vehicle. I don't have any video clips of the van after the job was completed. However, what I can tell you with confidence is that the job was completed successfully. Thanks for watching. I hope you found the video enjoyable and the information helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Your support means the world to me and helps me keep creating more content like this. Every viewer matters, and I truly appreciate you being here. Thank you.